Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, which is Joya's Kitchen, obviously you know. And how are you? I hope you are all doing very happy. Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite easy meal dish, which is a fish kebab with jarki parcel. Yes, you can already understand which one is fish kebab and which one is jarki parcel, but I'm just gonna show you. It's very simple, it's very easy. If you are like really busy in your midweek and you don't want to do too much of work, at the same time you want something good to eat, so this idea of like food idea can be very helpful. So just stay with me and enjoy the whole process how I do it. So for my fish kebab, I already took here one packet of white fish. You can go for salmon, you can go for any other boneless fish, but I have these white fish in my freezer, so that's what I'm using. And I cut them quite like chunky pieces, you can see. Anyway, they're gonna be in the stick, so it's fine. And they are ready, they are washed, and all the extra water I soaked it with the tissue or kitchen paper, and yeah, it's ready. So the spices I'm using to marinate my chicken kebab, I took here around half handful of coriander leaf. You can see this is just fresh coriander leaf that's gonna give really fresh coriander flavor. I took here one green chili. You can you can take some more if you want really spice kebab. I took here salt taste wise, which is around 2 teaspoons. I took here 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is just regular red chili. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of normal roasted cumin seed powder, around 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder or black pepper, crushed black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes. So this is the powder spice I'm gonna use, and all the ingredients I'm gonna put it in a mixer, and then I'm gonna make one like spice mixture paste. So you can see it's chili, cumin, coriander, garam masala, black pepper, and chili flakes. And at the same time, in this bottle I have half mustard oil and half vegetable oil. You can just use any single oil like mustard oil or vegetable oil, that's also fine, but I prefer a little bit of mustard oil flavor in my kebab, so that's why. And at the same time I took here 3 cloves of garlic and around 1 inch of ginger, so that also gonna go in my spice mixture paste. So now I'm gonna marinate my fish. I already make the mixture of the spices, and this is the spices mixture, and you can see the smell is coming from this mixture. It's so fresh, it's so spicy, it's really yummy. So I just directly add all the paste, and at the same time I'm gonna add here like around half lemon juice. So I just directly I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice on top of my fish, and that's gonna make my fish really tender and a little bit of citrusy flavor as well. So now I'm gonna marinate my fish for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can just make your kebab directly as well. So this is the kebab I already made. I put it in the stick, and I added some bell pepper or capsicum as well. You can add some tomatoes, you can add some onion pieces, that's also fine, but I just gonna keep it very simple. So this is ready, and it was been marinated for 10-15 minutes, and now I'm just gonna fry it. You can bake it in the oven as well, that also fine, but I'm just gonna fry it in the frying pan. So I added some vegetable oil here, and now I'm just gonna fry them very slowly. So I just wanted to show you after 5 minutes. They're not gonna take more than 6 to 7 minutes. I just want the char grill flavor, char grill look on top of it, so that's why I'm waiting. So it's gonna be ready soon. So for my jarki parcel, the ingredients I'm using, I took here one corn and I cut them kind of like 1 inch pieces. So this is like small piece of corn. I'm just gonna make 2 parcels, so 2 pieces in each. I took some chicken frankfurters here. You can go for beef frankfurters or lamb frankfurters, that's also up to you. I took here some chicken sausages. I also cut them my chicken sausages like half pieces. Maybe you have to use very sharp knife to do that. Just go for it. I took some mushroom pieces, and you can see they are quite chunky kind of slices, because they're gonna go inside the parcel, they're gonna release the flavor. I took some carrot slices. Trust me, if you follow my recipe and use all the ingredients, believe me, it's so good. I took some small potato cubes. These are just normal baby potatoes. You can go cut any potatoes like that. At the same time, I took some red bell peppers. You can use any color bell peppers or capsicum. So yeah, and some whole garlic cloves. These garlic cloves gonna go inside the parcel, and they're gonna be very sweet and strong. So these are the ingredients, basic ingredients I'm using for my parcel. And now I'm gonna show you the spices. And the spices I'm using here, I took here around 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. You can go for dried oregano as well, it's up to you, but I prefer thyme for it. I took here 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper. This crushed black pepper gonna give really good flavor, or at the same time you can use actually like fresh thyme as well. So black pepper, you can go for black pepper powder as well. And I am using here 2 teaspoons of jark spices. This is just shop bought jark spice, you can find very easily nowadays in any super shop. This is that one I'm using, which is Jamaican jark seasoning. You can go for Nigerian or any jark seasoning. Actually they are really good flavorful spice mixture. Trust me, if you never try it, try it, it's just so good. And also 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, that gonna give little bit of spiciness. And also I took, so these are the basic spices I'm using. And I took 2 lemon wedges. This lemon juice I'm gonna squeeze on top of my parcel, so yes, that's gonna give really good fresh flavor. Salt taste wise. And I'm gonna add some olive oil as well. It's better if you add a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil goes so good in this parcel, so yes. So in a on top of a bowl or any kind of like regular bowl, I took 2 ply or 2 sheet of foil paper here. 2 because it's gonna be a little bit safety. If you use one, there is a chance that you can make a hole and all the juice gonna go. So that's why it's better if you take like 2 sheet of foil paper. And I just make like a little bit of dip in between. You can see I'm just pressing to make a little bit of like a bowl shape, and that's why I used one bowl on the bottom. And now I'm gonna add like slowly all my ingredients. So I'm adding like 2 corn for per person, and then some sausages, some frankfurters. The ingredients I showed you, I'm just gonna make them like half. If you are making more parcels, cut more ingredients. If you are making less, just cut less. So it's up to you. But trust me, the ingredients I'm using is so good together, and they're gonna give you the best flavor. So I'm just gonna add one by one. So I added all my solid ingredients here, and now I'm gonna add all my spices, which is thyme, as I said, which is thyme, black pepper, jark seasoning, chili powder, salt, lemon juice, olive oil. And you can add actually any kind of spices if you want. If you don't want to add jark, you can go for peri peri, you can go for barbecue, you can go for harissa. It's totally up to you. And if you want to add some oregano or any other dried herbs, go for it. Just use your brain and use your taste buds, just do it. And I'm adding all the spices now. So all the ingredients are added properly, and now I'm just gonna close the foil paper. So at first I'm gonna close the first one, then the second one. So you can see I made the parcels, and it is 2 portion as I said, and I put it in 2 baking tray, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. And you make sure that you close the mouth of the parcel very nicely. In that case, all the steam, all the juice, all the flavor gonna go in, like keep inside. It's not gonna come out, or it's not gonna like spread everywhere. So yes, my parcels are ready. So I put it in the oven, and I'm gonna bake it in 150 degree for 1 hour. So 150 degree for 1 hour, and you can check in between just to see like if it's done, or if you need any other more ingredients. So yes. So after half an hour, I just opened it just to want to see my vegetables are done or not. No, I need another half an hour. So 1 hour time is totally fine. So I'm gonna close the parcel again, and I'm gonna bake it for another 30 minutes. So here you go guys, this is my jerky parcel with fish kebab is ready for you. And as I said that this is a midweek dinner plan, and this is very simple. If you don't have enough time, and if you have all these ingredients in your cupboard, just put everything together and make some good meal and surprise your family. So I hope you're gonna make this dish and enjoy with your full family and friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and follow my recipes, and share my recipes with your friends, family and neighbors. And yeah, this is one of the like a midweek meal as I said, and I have so many more ideas which are gonna come slowly. So I hope you're gonna inspire me more to make this kind of dish. So take care and be positive, and thanks for watching my video. Bye bye, tada.